Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Pod Go, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. To get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then on one of the pages here you'll find a power saving toggle. For me it is on the first page right here as the last one, but you might need to swipe to the left to see additional pages. Now, once you see the toggle, all you need to do is just simply tap on it. Visibly, nothing really changes. So to check what actually is happening in the background with this being enabled, you can hold this toggle. This will take you to the settings for the battery, and here you can select power saving mode. And in power saving mode, you should have, there we go, a little bit more info about the actual changes. So we have things like power saving mode being enabled, automatically turns off power saving mode at 90%, so that's not really giving us any info. Default optimizations, reduce screen brightness, which I didn't really see happen, change auto screen off time to 15 seconds, disable background sync, and lowers the screen refresh rate. So these are the changes that will happen. Now, there is probably one more, which will include the Wi-Fi being disabled when you're not using the device, and obviously that will result in you not getting notifications on time when they're being sent to you. So something to keep in mind if you experience this kind of thing, even though it's not mentioned here, although it has the disable background sync, so that would actually, I believe, imply this. So yeah, if that annoys you, just know that this is part of the power saving mode, but you can turn it off in here. So there we go. Now once you're done with the power saving mode, you can turn it off by finding the toggle and tapping on it once more. And with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.